Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your Fiverr gigs for search in 2026. Okay, so optimizing a gig for search really is important, okay? So whatever type of work you do, there's two things that you want to do. You want to optimize your profile first of all. So go in over here and go and click on profile. Here, make sure that your about section, as well as if you go down over here, work experience, skills and expertise is all full. Having one single skill is not going to help you optimize and sell gigs. So once this is all done, go into my business, go and click on gigs. Here you will be able to see all of your gigs. I've got one in draft right now. You're going to go to the right hand side. You will now see a little drop down arrow. Once this page decides to load, go ahead, use the drop down arrow, click on edit. This is where you'll be able to manage the actual gig itself. Okay, so here it says I will create a 2-minute UGC video. I'm using this as an example. Come over here, choose a category. Come down over here, gig metadata. We want platform. We've got video type. Then we've got video orientation. Make sure that you are choosing something here. Okay. Then we've got our search tags. We can do a maximum of 5. So make sure that they're very specific, because we can use tons of tags and it can just confuse the algorithm. Make sure that they're very, very, very specific as to what you're actually doing here. And then you have the pricing. We're going to skip past pricing. We are also going to go into description and frequently asked questions. Now, description. This is your gig description. This is also used for search. So go ahead and don't make it 2 lines or 1.5 lines like mine. Make sure that you are adding as much information as possible, because it's 1,200 characters. And although the client may not read all 1,200 characters, the algorithm will allow search to pull your little gig up when somebody's looking for something that you're doing. All right, we've got some frequently asked questions as well. That's it. And then once you've done all this, go ahead, click on save. And now your gig, as well as your profile as an extra, is optimized for search. So now when a client searches for UGC styled video, guess who's going to come up?